How is hate the Muslims better than hate the Christians or hate the Jews?
Watch Piers and Tucker shut down Zionism's latest plot for good.
There are nearly 4 million Muslims in the country, and that represents about 6% of the population. The over-amplification of the Islam problem, as people put it, or the Muslim problem, has been massively overstated.
Well, that's an obviously.
Yeah.
Hate the Muslims. No, we know where that's coming from.
So where's it coming from?
So we have obtained quite an interesting document paid for by the Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs and leaked to us. Effectively, what they recommend is ramping up Islamophobia.
Islam's only a problem for us because of Israel. Manipulate Americans to get them to hate and fear Muslims so that the U.S. government will have an easier time helping the Israelis murder Palestinians and steal their property. That's what it's all about.
Get Americans to hate all Muslims so that when Israel kills them and takes their land, you were going to say, well, I mean, what are you going to do?
This is exactly why, after Western support for Israel collapsed during the genocide, you saw prominent Zionist figures like Laura Loomer and Tommy Robinson trying to pit Muslims and Christians against each other.
Who's Tommy Robinson?
You know Tommy Robinson.
He seems like a fraud to me.
Well, he's not even Tommy Robinson. His name's Stephen Yaxley. It's not even his real name. He's also convicted of multiple crimes, thuggery,